um, 90. Okay. Okay. And I want to check this, give an operation like I want to add these two. Okay. So this is an example of a plus operator. No, this is plus operator. I'm just yeah. And if you want to check the type of this a plus b, it is again an integer. Okay.
Yep.
Now you are doing this single quote. You are adding this single quote in this and adding this single quote in this 45. And now you are adding this a and b. Can you guess what will be the answer?
It would be multiplication probably.
No, I am just adding these two things. I am adding just a plus b. I am not going to multiply anything. How it could be give the multiplication. So while I'm printing this, you can see that it is.
Oh.
But it is 45 and 90.
Integer?
This is no, this is neither adding these two things nor subtracting these two things, because it is now a form of a string.
Oh, but putting it next to each other.
Oh, okay. So it only does multiplication. You can't add or minus.
Now yeah, exactly. So in previous example, what it was giving us an integer. Let me check, add one more thing so that I can compare. Okay, so you can see that example line number 35 and 36. Can you see it, please?
Yes.
Okay, so in 35, two variables a and b have certain value in form of a string. Okay, and in line 36 we have two variables a and b and having value 45 and 90 in form of integers. Okay. So why I'm explaining these things to you, you can, so that you can start thinking or creating, like thinking like a coder. These small things will help you to grow, efficiently and quickly. Okay.
Right.
You might be knowing multiple things in Python, but these things, these general informations and small information can lead you to be the best coder. Okay. So similarly, what I checked with type a plus b is showing that it is a string. And now if you want to check this a plus b type, it is integer. Okay.
Yep.
While I am just adding a value 0.01. Okay.
Right.
Okay, and now I am adding it. It's a float number. Okay. Any problem?
No. Yeah.
Okay. So as we added these things, now I am subtracting something from this. And before that, I need to assign this minus operator. I have a value minus 44.99. Why? Because the value of A is lesser than value of B. Okay. And so if you want to check the type of A minus B, it is a float. Okay. Again, if you want to create a relation between A plus B, is A is greater than B? Okay. Like that. then it is false.
Right.
Okay, why? Because A is not greater than B. As we can clearly see that the value of A is somewhere at 45 and B is 90, which is twice of the value A. And if you want to check
Right.
the type, okay, it is now a boolean.
Mm.
Okay,
Yep.
and again, if you want to go with another example, please give me an example so that I can.
X is
But
equal to.
why? Sorry,
Okay.
why is that called a boolean? How come it's just not called
Okay, why it is calling boolean? Because it is like uh, showing a relation between two variables.
okay.
Okay, this is a there is a relation between two variables. This is not a operation between two variables. When it was an operation between two variables, then it was said at like addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. That was the operation, and operation is a different thing with the with respect to the relation. Okay, so now we are talking about relation, and it is the question is that is A is greater than B. Okay, so it is saying that no, it is not true. Okay, if you want to check with like if A is less than B with the same example, it is true.
True.
Okay, and if you want to check the type of A is less than B, it will show you the boolean again.
Boolean.
But if you want to check the type of A, what it is, float. If you want to check the type of B, what it is, integer. But the result, A is less than B is a boolean. Do you have any question?
No, I'm okay.
No, thank you.
Okay. So